Good day po sa ating lahat at welcome po kayo dito sa ating Isip Math tutorial. Ang ating topic ngayon ay rewriting the linear equation ax plus by equal c into y equal to mx plus b and vice versa. So from standard form into slope-intercept form or from slope-intercept form to standard form. Pero bago pa tayo magsimula, kung bago po kayo sa aking channel, huwag niyo pong kalimutan i-subscribe ang ating YouTube channel Isip Math Tutorial at i-follow ang ating Facebook page Isip Math Tutorial. A linear equation can be described in a standard form ax plus by equal to c, where a, b, and c are real numbers, or in a slope-intercept form y equal to mx plus b, where m and b are also real numbers. So sa slope-intercept form po natin, yung m is our slope and b is our y-intercept. In rewriting linear equation from standard form to slope-intercept form or vice versa, i-recall po natin yung tinatawag nating property of equality. Meron po tayong addition property of equality. If the same number of terms is added to the left and right members of an equation, the sums are equal. So kung meron po tayong equation na a equal to b, tapos mag-add ako ng c kay a, so ganun din kay b. So ibig sabihin nito, kung ano yung i-add ko kay a, ganun din yung i-add ko kay b. So magiging ganito, a plus c equal to b plus c. And we have also multiplication property of equality. If the same number of terms is multiplied to the left and right members of an equation, the products are equal. For example, meron tayong equation na a equal to b, tapos gusto kong mag-multiply ng c kay a, so dapat mag-multiply din ako ng c kay b. So magiging ganito, a times c equal to b times c. Meron din tayong division property of equality. If the same number is divided to the left and right members of an equation, the quotients are equal. So kung meron tayong equation na a equal to b, tapos i-divide ko si a with c, ganun din kay b, divide also with c. So magiging a over c is equal to b over c. Okay, for example number 1, rewrite 2x plus y equal to negative 6 in the form of y equal to mx plus b. So this is our linear equation, 2x plus y equal to negative 6, standard form. Tapos i-rewrite natin into slope-intercept form, which is y equal to mx plus b. Okay? So, ang ating gagawin nito, dapat si y yung maiwan sa left side, then rest of the members of the equation andun sa right side. So since we have here 2x plus y equal to negative 6, dapat si 2x malipat doon sa right side. So ang ating gagawin, mag-add po tayo ng negative 2x both sides, di ba? Addition property of equality para ma-eliminate si 2x, positive 2x at saka si negative 2x, maiwan si y dito. Tapos sa kabila, magiging 2x minus 6. So, ma-eliminate natin si positive 2x at si negative 2x. Ang matira ay si y. So, magiging y equal to negative 2x minus 6. So, this is now our final answer. So, from standard form, 2x plus y equal to negative 6 into slope-intercept form, nagiging y equal to negative 2x minus 6. For example number 2, rewrite y equal to 3x minus 5 into the form of ax plus by equal c. Okay, so this is our linear equation, slope-intercept form. I-rewrite natin into ax plus by equal to c, which is our standard form. So ito na po yung equation natin, y equal to 3x minus 5. So dapat si 3x malipat dito sa left side, diba? Kasi ito yung susundin natin, ax plus by equal to c. So we will add both sides by negative 3x. So using the property of equality, we will add both sides by negative 3x. So magiging ganito na siya, 3x plus y, negative 3x plus y equal to 3x, this is positive, plus negative 3x minus 5. So what will happen? Ma-eliminate natin si positive 3x at saka si negative 3x. So therefore, si negative 5 na yung maiwan sa right side. Sa left side naman, so magiging negative 3x plus y. So ganito na siya, negative 3x plus y equal to negative 5. So since sa ating standard form, si ax ay positive, tapos dito si 3x is negative, so using the multiplication property of equality, we will multiply both sides by negative 1. So magiging ganito. Sa left side, magiging negative 1 times the quantity negative 3x plus y. Diba? Then sa right side naman, negative 5 times negative 1. Okay? So ang result is positive 3x, si negative 3x magiging positive 3x, tapos si positive y magiging negative y sa left side. Then sa right side, si negative 5 magiging positive 5. So this is now our final answer. So from slope-intercept form na y equal to 3x minus 5, nagiging 3x minus y equal to 5. So this is now our standard form. From slope-intercept form to standard form.